Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to add this elastic closure and a tag to your Traveler's Notebook cover. First, you're going to put that tag onto the elastic that you're using around the band in the middle. And you might want to add a knot. That'll keep it in the same place, but if you don't care about that, don't put the knot in. Now, you're going to come up through the front of the cover to the back. And this little rectangular tab keeps that band from popping through if for some reason something pulls really hard on the elastic, so it'll keep it in place. Make sure you've got the length right and then tie a knot and double check that length. Then I always knot the ties, the little tails that are there. I just put a knot in each of those. That keeps that from fraying. You can see I'm struggling with it a little bit, but there we go. And then snip those tails nice and close to those knots. All of that is hidden underneath the spines of your journals, so you're not going to see any of that. Then I put another knot on the other side that's really decorative more than anything else, but it also gives you a little flexibility in case you need to make that a little wider later. Put in your books. Mine are from Owl and Ember. I love them. And then you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.